In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view site history on Wix Studio. If you ever need to look back at an earlier version of your website, Wix Studio makes that process very straightforward. This is especially useful if you made changes you want to review, compare, or undo. The Site History feature lets you see saved and published revisions, so you can better understand how your site looked at different points in time and, if needed, restore a previous version. To get started, open your site in the Studio Editor. Make sure you are inside the correct project before moving on, since the history you view will belong to the specific site you currently have open. Once the editor has loaded, go to the top left corner of the screen and click the Wix Studio icon. This opens the main menu where you'll find several site management options. From that drop-down menu, hover over Site. This will reveal another set of options related to your website settings and management tools. In that submenu, click Site History. As soon as you do, Wix Studio will open a list of your site's saved and published revisions. This gives you a timeline of changes, which can be very helpful if you are trying to identify when a specific update was made or if you want to return to a version from an earlier date. To inspect any version more closely, click the arrow icon next to that version. This allows you to preview exactly how the site appeared at that time. Take a moment here to review the layout, content, and overall design carefully, so you can confirm whether it's the version you want. Previewing before restoring is a good habit because it helps prevent bringing back an older version by mistake. If you find the version you need, click Restore. This will make that version your active live site. Before restoring, it's a good idea to be certain that this is the correct revision, since restoring changes what is currently active. Once restored, that earlier version becomes the one your visitors will see. And that's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.